It's my pleasure to be here. I think about interfaces between humans and agents because to me, it's extremely obvious we're going to be in a world where we're going to be working with a lot of agents side by side. And how does our world look like? How do we today work with agents, task agents, track agents, and basically run a job, run something that we're doing every day, while before we are working with our tools to produce 10x output. But our tools like Notion, Monday, ClickUp, they have become so complicated that sometimes we spend way too much time inside our tools. In the future, we're going to have teams of 5 running 100 plus agents to get 100x output. And we're building a system that humans can manage these agents all from one place. Imagine you're a small business. On the left side, you have your data. For example, I have my presentation running inside our tool LiftOS. I can, with one click, open the prompt that I'm about to show you that the agent does. What if our tools could do the work for us? So I'm going to minimize everything and let the agent do the work. So I'm new to SF. I love this place. I would love to learn about events in SF. With a single click, I remove my hands, and on the left side, you're going to be seeing the agent doing the work. It's a bit blurry, but it created a space called SF AI Events. So imagine if our tools could do our job. It's created a task board for me, full with events that I can visit in SF. I don't have to structure it, I don't have to touch it, I've just told my tool to do the work for me. So why are we doing the work with our tools when it's costing us time, when our tools can do the work for us? If you'd like to try it out, the next gen Notion, check out liftos.io, sign up, and you can try it out today. Thank you very much.